Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, kule video manje ngifisa ukuncoma u-MMC wamaphoyisa la eJohannesburg. Uyilunga le-EFF, igama lakhe angilazi kodwa ngimbona enza umsebenzi omuhle. Kowedlule sambona ehamba noXolani Khumalo lo wayenza ishow lethi Sizokuthola. Bebamba abantu laphayana endabeni zama-drugs, abakhona la South Africa ngokungemvume, abangama-foreign, yonke lento. Namuhla-ke ubopha abantu ngathi ababili noma abathathu, anginasiqiniseko kahle, ababandakanyeka ekuthengiseni ama-drugs. Labantu laba kuthiwa bango-kingpin. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuba singene-ke kuleyo ndaba, basizongena kule ndaba, kunento ebalulekile ayishilo laphaya engifisayo ukuthi sixoxe nangayo. Ngithe mangingena ku-X eyaziwa nge-Twitter, ngazithela phekwa le message. Le message le iphostwe uSihle Lonzi, okuyi-message ayithole namuhla. Ngangena-ke kuma-comments ngathola ukuthi akuyena yedwa, bakhona abanye abasebenzisa i-Vodacom, kodwa ngiyasola laba yilaba abaku-contract abathole lo message ethi ngenxa yokukhuphuka kwe-VAT oku-announce-iwe, ama-changes azoba khona kusukela ngomhla ka-1 May. Bathi-ke bamthumelela i-email enama-details, kanti nami emini ngithe ngizihlalele nje kwangena nansi i-message engazisa ukuthi abaka-MTN nabo bazophinde kube ney'nguquko kuma-price. Kodwa le y'nguquko zoqala kusuka ngomhla ka-11 April 2025. Awu, base benginikeza i-link, ngayiklikha-ke i-link wavela nansi i-message. Ila bebengipha-ke imininingwane yokuthi le y'nguquko zizoba khona, kusho ukuthi ama-price especially kuma-data nezinye izinto, whether ama-minutes noma yini, izoguquka kwa-MTN. So isizathu esenza ukuthi ngifake le message ile comment le. Le comment lena ithi mina njengomuntu onarrathayo ngiqamba amanga, uthi kodwa lo muntu ngehlulwa mina uku-acknowledge ukuthi inhloso ye-ANC ngayonke lento ekukhulunywa ngayo ye-VAT ne-budget nani, ukuthi yini inhloso yabo. Ngibheke nje lokho ngikubhekile. Ngimfihlile-ke igama ngenzela ukumvikela. Kodwa-ke mina nje ngokwami bengingakaphawuli lutho. Into engiyenzile, ngifake amavidiyo ama-members e-parliament. i-EFF izwakalisa ukungenami kwayo, i-DA iveza ukuthi izokhuphuka i-VAT, namanye ama-political parties. Ngafaka nje ngoba ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi njengoba sebevotile kuzokwenzakalani. Kodwa-ke angishongo lutho, futhi-ke ngiyazi umuntu uma eyithanda i-political party yakhe uyayivikela. Kodwa ngiyacela asike sisebenzise ukucabanga kakhulu ukwedlula, asingalawulwa imizwa, asisenze ukucabanga, singakhontrolwa ama-emotions, sifunde ukurizina. Ngoba akusho ukuthi siyayizonda i-ANC noma siyayinyanya i-ANC noma sikhuluma into eyiphutha nge-ANC. Cha, lana bengingakaphawuli lutho mina ngokubona kwami. Ngithi nje angiyifake lento ukumkhombisa naye nabanye ukuthi abacabanga njengaye ukuthi yebo khona kusathiwe kune-30 days esalindiwe ukuthi kubhekakale ezinye iy'ndlela, kodwa i-impact yokuvunywa kwaleya fiscal framework seyiqalile manje iyenzeka. Angifuni ukuphawula lutho futhi ngalolo daba. Sizongena-ke edabeni ka-MMC manje.
Some of the evidence that we are actually, some of the, to be honest with you, some of the intelligence work that we're actually doing is going to be annoying a lot of people, okay? With the intelligence gathering that we've been getting, some of our colleagues are involved, okay? So we have to tread very carefully. So some of the information we're actually giving, to the top brass. But what we're doing right now is disturbing a lot of people. So we are not surprised that if myself, I'm going to be prosecuted. I know that the TRU here, every time they actually been reported to the IPID, they've been killing people and all of that. Look at Golani as well. Look at General Mkwanas. Once you start to disturb the drug distribution, then something is going to pin on you. So, but I'm just saying that what happened today is really unfortunate, and I want to say to my colleagues there, we are going to be busting lots of the drug dealers because we've got almost 20 to 30 sites for sure that we've done in intelligence gathering. Some of our colleagues have been seen in those areas collecting money. And that information has been submitted. Number plates, people coming to collect. What I'm saying that there are people watching, the cameras are rolling. So our colleagues must be very careful, both on the JMP side and the police side. That must stop, especially on the Hillbrow side. And these operations are going to be underground. They're going to be an element of the surprise. But we've actually been getting a lot of support from the generals in terms of booking people in.
Lende show MMC la ngizwe interesting kakhulu ukuthi le information abayiphethe izocazula abantu abaningi ngoba ama-members wabo a-involve. Amanye ama-members baney'thombe nama-number plate ebonakala eyokoleka. Siyawabona nathi nsuku zonke. Wonke umuntu ohlala emalokishini emakhaya la kunomuntu nje othengisa ama-drugs eduze noma abenza nje izinto ezinobuqili. Amaphoyisa siyawabona efika nsuku zonke ezokoleka. Ngake ngasebenza kwesinye i-scrap yard. Kukhona ikhopha le yentambo le ye-Telkom nale ye-Transnet or Spornet okuthiwa ivumelekile ukuthi ingene e-scrap yard. Kodwa ibifika kube khona amaphoyisa afika yazokoleka ngoba yazi ukuthi khona lo nto le. So yonke indawo uma kukhona imali nje iyasebenza. Kodwa nje into interesting eshow MMC la ethi lento izocasula abantu abaningi ngoba kunabantu abavikele labantu laba okuyibona abathengisa ama-drugs. Lama-drugs asithi abulala iy'ngane zethu, zidle ihunga, zidle inyawupe, zihlale emgwaqweni. Lawo bantu laba abathengisa bavikelwe amaphoyisa. Uma uqala uthinta labo bantu kunyakaza amaphoyisa, uzothi u-MMC ukulindele yena ukuthi avukelwe amacala. So ngizwe lento interesting kakhulu ngathi no angenze ivideo. Sengenzela ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mzukwane kuthiwa uvukelwa amacala noma bamvusela amacala. Kwaziwe ukuthi wayeshilo MMC ukuthi lawo macala ayobevuswa ukuthi usuke wathinta lapha abantu abadla khona. Usuke wathinta abangani babantu abasemaphoyiseni. Ikhona ivideo ka-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi naye uzowenza umzekelo ngayo. Wathi uyabona uma ngabe usebenza ulisana nalezi zinto nanguXolani Khumalo uvukelwe izitha uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Kukhona ivideo yakhe lathi khona uthinta i-politician kunyakaza amaphoyisa, uthinta iphoyisa kunyakaza ama-senior wakho. Isimo esiphila phansi kwaso. Bengithi nje angikulethele le video bese ngizwa ukuphawula kwakho odabeni lo show MMC. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ukuthini ukuphawula kwakho. Kodwa nje isimo esiphila phansi kwaso sinzima ngoba igebengu zisebenzisana nalabantu ofanele basivikele thina njengamalungu omphakathi. Cha, bengithi nje angilethe le video kuwe sixoxe nje ngalesimo sethu. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.